How to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So natively, you cannot turn off auto brightness directly through your control center. So dark mode, night shift, true tone, these are not auto brightness and they do not manage the setting. So now if you want to turn off auto brightness, which is by default switched on your iPhone, you will have to go into settings and then go and search for accessibility. And once you're in accessibility, you can go ahead and tap on the display and text size option. And once you're here, you can scroll down and you can see this option which is called auto brightness. All you have to do now is uncheck it. As mine is already unchecked, you might need to do this on your phone and it might be checked up already, because by default it is turned on to save battery, but you can turn it off just by doing this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.